Did you know that most sewing machines can do this really fancy edging stitch? Even if you have a fairly basic sewing machine with only a few stitch options, you can probably do this tiny scallop on your sewing machine. Let me show you how. This is called a blind hem. It's basically a zigzag that skips a couple stitches. So set your sewing machine to this stitch and then make the stitch as wide as possible. Mine goes up to a 7.0. Then you're going to make the stitch longer, around 4 or 4.5, depending on how big you want your little scallops to be. Next, bring the stitch tension very high to a 6 or a 7. Now when you sew, make sure the needle goes off the fabric on the right side. So you want your fold line to be more in the middle of the presser foot area. And then just sew and watch this beautiful stitch come to life. For this example, I'm using thread that matches the fabric so that the little scallops are really what you notice. But you could swap out a thread that stands out more, and that would accent the stitch a little bit more. There's a lot of different uses for this technique. Let me know how you think you'll use this stitch in the comments below. I really want to hear your ideas. And please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of these easy and fun sewing tutorials. And thank you so much for watching.